Hey everyone, this is Lynn from Paper Piece. I went back to Hobby Lobby and I just have to show you this. I might have to cut that off right, the little piece, but I have to show you this. I went to Hobby Lobby. I got this beautiful pearl lace trim for 82 cents a yard. I hope it's 82 cents a yard. It is, to me, it is just stunning. Look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do with, yes I do. I have an idea. I have several things I'm going to use this for, but this is just beautiful. I'm going to show you a few others too. And let's see. Here is a standard one that I got. This was 57 cents a yard. Like I said, this is pretty much standard for a lot of us. But I wanted to still show you this so that if you're in your Hobby Lobby, you can kind of be on the lookout for some of these things. And it's over at Naturalist in the fabric section. Here's another one. This was 62 cents a yard. It is, let me find it. I'm trying to find where I can unhinge it. This is gorgeous. Look at this. This is gorgeous. 62 cents a yard. Needless to say, I just purchased the whole thing because, you know, like I know when we start working on certain things and projects, and even if I don't work on a whole bunch of them, it's just such a beautiful piece to have. Y'all, forgive the alarm, bong, bong, bong in the back. I'm too short to get up and change the battery, and I have to wait on the guy that works on things around the house to come in. So if you just be tolerable, I would really appreciate it today, okay? I also, that was the ivory. The white was on sale for 62 cents and I got it in white too. This is just pretty. I mean, look at that. That is just so gorgeous. It's just so gorgeous. There's just certain things that I really love and certain things that I really like, and stuff like this I love. And once again, it's 62 cents in the fabric section. I got some of these glue dots. They were originally what, $4.99, and they were $2.49. So I just grabbed a slew of those. Hold on. Got several others. Trying to contain myself a little bit. Keep things in some sort of order here. As I continue to scour through, I don't know what this is called. This is called, I don't even know. It's nylon, but I got this for 42 cents a yard. Now, you all have seen this. You know what to do with it. I'm just saying, there's a whole bunch of it available, and I got it for like 42 cents a yard, okay? So pretty. So pretty. These are the ones that kind of surprised me. Now, I had several people ask me, do you do upholstery? Well, no, but you can use these for other things other than upholstery. This was 24 cents a yard. I got the entire thing. Now, you can use this for a lot of stuff. Little fabric tack, little whatever. You can use this for a lot. So I got this color. 24 cents a yard. I got this color. There was like a little bit, well, there was a lot of blue, but I use a little blue in certain things, okay? So I got that one. And then there was the black, and I got it too. Also, there were a couple of, I think these are full albums that were on sale that I got out of clearance. Now, I intend to probably just turn them into journals, junk journals or journals. I purchased some fabric that was 40% off, and I have a stash of fabric, like so many of you. And I intend to probably just take and deconstruct and reconstruct, but They are these. They were the Paper Studio. I got these for 62 cents. Now, this is intact. I'm gonna take it out, but it's not completely whole. But you know, this is intact. I'm gonna just probably take and cover this one. This is the one too. I got another one of them. This is not intact, but I can use this for something else. But these were 62 cents a piece. I couldn't really beat that, to be honest with you, even though they are a little, although they are destroyed. I could not beat it. Then I hopped into another one of my, one of my consignment shops around. And I got this beautiful wallpaper. I probably paid like $3 for it, but what I liked about this is the fact that I can use this to make tags. I can use this for so many different grunge projects, collages, anything. But I like the fact that it already has this like little splatter, so I can use it in terms of vintage, and I can kind of spruce it up a little bit too. I like that. Weird. I got this was $1. No, it was 50 cents. I thought it was $1. 50 cents. It is some paper. It's a paper bag. This is the bag, but it has a set of like a gift box to go along with it. I don't know what they would have done with it back then, but I know what I'm going to do with it. I can always use this as the back of some tags or some pocket tags or to just add some weight to some paper. Now, if you don't know me by now, while I'm doing this, I always try to put this stuff back together, because I promise you, if I don't, it'll be a mess. And I already have a mess that I destashed and decleaned and decluttered and all that wonderful stuff a little while ago, but I think I've got to start all over again. Here's something else. It's not simple, but I got this paper pad for $1. And what I liked about it was, I know it's vintage, but I have a couple of things that I'm about to work on probably today. At one point in time, it was on sale. To me, this looks like a Tuesday morning tag. So somebody else probably purchased this over the years somewhere. And it looks like I said, it was at Tuesday morning or something. But what I like is this. I just like the paper. And I have something that I want to work on pretty much now. Yeah, somebody, look, see? Okay. I think that's all they used out of it too. So I got that for $1 at a thrift shop. Here are a couple other things. Hold on. I want to go and pull them out, so I can throw that bag away. I don't recall seeing these. These are tone-on-tone vellum. I think I'm going to Google this and see if there are some others, because I can always print my own vellum like the rest of you. But I got this for $1. This was originally from, what's this paper? Pizzazz. I don't even know if they're still around. I will look them up. But I got this for $1.50. There are 16 acid-free printed vellum sheets. And this is pretty to me. I like this. I print my own vellum sometimes. I print vellum sometimes. But this is really cute. Now, I am a little lost sometimes with some of these things. I didn't even know that they were, selling vellum sheets like this in a book, in a pack. I know they sell them separately, but I like that. And the color is beautiful. But I got this for $1 and, where is it? I know it's $1.50. And I like that because I can use that to work on something I'm getting ready to do. This is K & Company, and this is Studio D. Like I said, once again, I got each one of these from the thrift shop, and they were $3 a piece. And you probably said, oh, you could have did better than that. But I liked it because, let me show you. These are double-sided, and they just, I don't know, I just love this. Do you see this? I love this. This is gorgeous to me. On this one, I love this. Let me see what else is in here. There's just a lot. I like this. I like this. Love that a lot. I did like a really quick flip through. What I like is that this is double-sided, but I probably use it for something else. I love paisleys, prints, flowers. I love florals. I love a myriad of, look at this. It's always a signature, oh, look at that. Signature statement piece or something like that. I'm a polka dot girl sometimes, but not all the time, okay? Love this. Love it. Some of you might even have some of these paper packs. I know that these are like some cutouts. I can always use these for something else. And don't be fooled. I will take and cut this whole thing out and use this. Set that to the side. Here is, this says it is a 12 by 12 paper pad, Studio D. It's got glitter embossed, glitter, blah, blah, blah. I got it for $3. I am sure the person that owned this before used a lot of it. But this is what got me. This piece of paper right here got me. I love that. That was so pretty. I think I'm about to find out if these are single sheets. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm even happier because I didn't even bother to do this. They are single-sided, which makes me even happier. So this is just gorgeous. Only thing is, it's only one sheet of paper. Good grief. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look. These are so nice. These are just like amazing to me. I don't know the repetition in here either. Trying to go really fast. Let me do this to make it easier, a little quicker. I am trying to keep, oh, this is nice. I want to keep this video under a certain amount of minutes because I know so many of you are trying to get to your shopping. I love stuff like this. Even when I do some digitals, I don't mimic, but I do, mimic a little bit. Some of these thoughts from these. So what it shows me is this is a repetition, and I'm okay with that. That's something else I did too. I've got to show you. I hopped around a little bit, and I'm going to hop around in this video, so please forgive me. I went to Dollar Tree. I found these bags. I just love this. Now, I do a lot of different things with bags, and I'm going to do a few videos later on, but I got a bunch of these, and I got a bunch of these. These are really cute. And I know the Dollar Trees are changing, but once again, I'm still a Dollar Tree. I'm a $1.25 girl, okay? While I was at the thrift store, that's why I said I'm shifting. I got a, what is this, close to my heart stamp. It was $4. I don't know if I overpaid for it. I don't think I even really care. But I did like this. I thought this was so pretty. So I got it, okay? Once again, it was $4, and I just added to my wonderful stash. I went to Hobby Lobby. It's ironic. I got some of this once before. That's why one of the reasons why it really does help to keep up with what you have. Because I see right now that I purchased 2 pieces of the same fabric. And I guess that's okay. That's a sign. I'll take and use it for something else. But I got 3 pieces. You know, it's all on sale. I got this one. This is so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Got this. This is gorgeous. Got this. This is pretty. Hold on. Once again, I'm going to put it back in the bag because if I don't, it's going to be a problem. Come on. And I got to get my stuff out of here quickly. I got, this is pretty. I didn't know, but I learned today they cut these in panels. So this is really nice. I like this a lot. This is pretty. Got this. I'm working on something for that. It's so cute. Got this nautical theme. This is pretty. Like I said, I just showed you this. I had already had some of that, but I got some more of it. Got this one. This is pretty. And this is gorgeous. This is so pretty to me. I'm sure I know a lot of you have seen this. You've gone into Hobby Lobby and you've seen it, but this is just so stunning to me. It's just gorgeous. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. I think I should fold it back like she had it. She knows she was doing, I don't. Okay. Also, I have a couple of, one, two other pieces. And believe it or not, I had picked this up from Joann's and I never did say anything about it. Now, I know Joann's is of no more, but in paying homage to them a little bit, I still need to show what I got from them. Oh, also, there are a couple other things I got from Hobby Lobby because right now, they are starting to move over into like the jewelry section. And I had forgotten about this, forgive me, but it was down in the bottom of the bag that I just pulled out for this fabric. I would have done this a little earlier. So in the jewelry section, they have like these clay foil transfer sheets. Well, to me, it's just transfer sheet. Okay. These were $1.74. They were originally $6.99, and I got a couple of these. Also, there's this charm. It's the bee charm. These were originally $1.99, and I got these for 49 cents. So I like those a lot. And really quick, I'm going to show you about these other little pieces of fabric that I snagged. They're not cold today. Like I said, I had these sitting in there, and I don't know why in the world I didn't say something about them earlier. When Joann's was available, and some of you probably have this fabric. To me, I'm a Patty girl. I love this. I love Paris. I love the Paris theme. I love this. I love the signature. I love the Eiffel Tower. I just love the stamps. I love all of this. So I got a good little bit of this right before they were going out of business because I knew, I'm sure I could find this somewhere else at some point in time, but when you can get it right there at a pretty economical price, why I should have. And I'm sure, I am quite certain that a lot of you probably have some of this probably in your stash. I got this. This is cute to me. I can use this to do something, but I like this a lot. I got this piece. And there was like an extra little part of it. She just went ahead and added the rest of it in there, and I was like, fine, okay. But I got that piece. But here's the other one that I love a lot. Don't forgive me, it's hot. Got my air on, but it's hot. Here's another piece that I love a lot. As you can tell, I like certain themes. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I just love it. And it's thick. So I got this one too. So if you are getting ready to go shopping over the weekend, I just encourage you while you're hitting up your Hobby Lobbies, don't forget your thrift stores. Thank you so much for tuning into Paper Piece, and to all of you that have subscribed to our channel, I do thank you. Thank you so much. Be safe.